Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down a bit and go to biometrics and security, and here you can click on fingerprints. Now if you would like to add a fingerprint, click on continue, and it's time to set a secure screen lock type, so it will be your backup password. So it can be, for example, pattern. Let me draw L letter, then you have to confirm it one more time, click on confirm. And now you can scan your finger, so simply place it on the sensor over here and lift it up. So just keep lifting and putting your fingerprint on the sensor. Just lift it off when you feel a vibration. Click on continue, we'll add some edges to make full fingerprint, and that's it. As you can see, we've just added a fingerprint. You can obviously add another one, but I will click on done. One is enough. And now, as you can see, if you would like to unlock your device, you will be able to do it just with this fingerprint. And that's it. So this is how you can unlock your device with your fingerprint. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.